lads go behind the Ben. We'll see the other lads. Wait. So you go to the far right, near the buffalo. Yep. You're going to get to here, then we'll drag you back. Yeah. So you go to the other side. There we go. Here you go out. Wait for the shot. Sniper! Sniper!
Right, when you're ready, we'll drag him back then.
Ready to grab him? Yeah, ready.
Wait if you want. Stay wait.
Yeah, right, ready. Right, let's get him. There you go, mate.
You alright?
You alright?
Yeah. Got a fast crack full of fucking dirt.
I'll have you. Sorry, mate.
Let all the burners go off.
Yeah.
Right, that should be a chance to advance now. Move forward!
Right, James, you want to come over this way, yeah? You're clear. You're clear. Come back up. A nice one. Ash, you come over here and stay in there. Coming fire! Forgot actually how loud that was. Right, do you want to go behind the friend cabinet again? Right, there the Americans take all the hits, that's what they're there for. You right, mate? The Enfield's jammed. Is it? Yeah. Right, hold on for a second.
Nice one.
Right, there we go, mate.
There we go.
Nice one. Right, we're clear if you want to move forward. Right. Move forward a little bit. You shot and flew out and hit me in the air. Sorry, mate. Just watch yourself for a second. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Right, wait a minute. Wait a minute, lads, let them wait some more ammo.
Don't use the weapon carried around you.
I think he's stalled. No, let's push all the way down. They're wasting all the ammo.
Oh yeah, but I mean when we start to move. Carry up instead.
Yeah. Right, get behind that vehicle. Right, we're going behind that vehicle there, yeah? Go on then, move. Right, move on.
The Allies continue to push forward while receiving cover fire from the Bren carrier.
Right, so I'm going to take you, yeah.
The Allies' final attack onto the Germans from the left flank, charging across and clearing the German line, setting up a bridgehead and defence against any German counter-attack.
Gun's completely knackered, mate.
That's jammed up, mate.
Yeah, it's well jammed up. Well, you want to move forward? My gun's jammed.
Chuck it out!
gun's completely jammed, you go.
Whilst the main Allied force is moving down the left flank, you can see the sneaky approach on the right flank also.
That's what we've done.
Receiving American support at the back as usual.
Nope.
The Americans are supporting via the right flank. The enemy position is now overrun. Prisoners have been taken by both Allied sides.
Get down!
The Germans have surrendered.
Handy hot.
It's coming fish down here!
Always making shirt.
Welcome to the Allied forces. That's the end of